hey Steve, what's going on?
Oh, just came over to check out your rig.
Cool, I appreciate that. Yeah, let me show it to you. This is a folding deck. And so it goes up, there's a winch up there, right up there, and then it hooks into here, and these come off so you don't have to drive with it up there. But I really like it. Mainly,
I see you got latches to latch it up, so.
Yeah, exactly. There's I'll show it to you on this side. There's 2 latches that lock down here, one on this side, one on the other side, just as a safety measure. The chain is always connected, but
right.
This was a good idea.
Better safe than wiping down all.
Yeah, you don't want this to fall down on the highway.
Or start wiping out all the mailboxes.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. But actually, I really wanted this deck mainly because everywhere I go, it's always the same, and it's always the same. It's a part of the bus. It's that the area of the bus is kind of increased in that way. So
right.
I can walk out if I want to cook on the deck. I have that Silver Fire multi-tent dragon, which is really cool. You can cook with it. You can put it pizza in it and cook on it.
Like the little water tank, so you can get some hot water for some tea. And...
Absolutely, you can heat up water in there, coffee, tea. You can bake in here, and of course the burn pit is on that side. This actually comes out and goes in the top if you want to cook right over the fire. Oh. Great company.
I like that.
Yeah. It's a
I have no
company.
place to put one on my bus, but I like it.
Yeah, and I like it too because it's on the door. You can use it to heat inside the bus if you want, or in emergency if you need to cook, you could do that too.
Sure.
You open it up and you can enjoy it out on the deck. So
cool.
Yeah, well, come on inside. Let me show you.
Oh, you got around the other side?
What? That's right. So I do really like to cook, and so these are the Primo ceramic grills, and they just open up and they cook really long. They can hold temperature for a long time, and the food on them is great.
Oh, sure.
It's really good. You can smoke a turkey in here for hours and hours, an hour brisket or anything. So that's a lot of fun.
Again, no room on my bus, but I wish there was.
I like to cook ribs on these.
Oh, I'm just thinking brisket and ribs and...
Oh, yeah. Brisket, ribs.
Now I'm getting a craving for barbecue.
Yeah, well, maybe I'll make some later.
Yeah.
But come on in, don't mind the mess. It's a living schoolie.
Oop. That first step always gets me.
I know, right? So this is it's a 91 Bluebird, and obviously it's flat nose, 30 feet. So this is the bed couch area.
Right.
It just pulls out, right? I got a fridge there.
Refrigerator there.
That's a secondary, like almost like a backup fridge. I use it if I'm going to be sitting somewhere for a long period of time and I want to put, you know, freezer stuff in there.
Sure.
I got my electrics here. Got 400 amp hours of lithium. I have 1,000 watts of solar on top, and then I have the Magnum inverter. So that's also a 3,000 watt inverter.
Yeah.
After that, it's pretty basic. You got my kitchen area. Like I said, I like to cook, so I got my fridge there. I love this Ninja air fryer.
Sure.
I love this thing. This thing is awesome. And sink and stove.
Another stove I'm jealous of. Somebody else had a 5-burner, and I've got a 3.
Oh.
So, nice big sink.
Yeah, I like it.
I love the planner. There's a lot of skulls in my bus, but
yeah.
now they got to look for that one.
It was a Crystal Head bottle, vodka bottle.
There you go.
Yeah. Berkey. I love this. I have a water tank behind there. I think it's a 60-gallon. I'm not sure, but the idea that I had when I kind of did this was just being able to fill up water anywhere.
Right.
The Berkey will filter pretty much anything. So if I really needed to, I could pull water from any water source, and then filter
Sure.
it through this before I drink it or cook with it or whatnot.
I built a step van for a lady, and what we did, yeah, she had that idea too.
Yeah.
What we did was plumb a line, a cold water line went up into the top of the Berkey,
Yeah.
so she didn't have to pull it out to fill it.
Yes.
She could just turn a valve and fill it
That's
up.
what I got
Exactly.
this for. As you can see, I've been using it. Yeah, just pop that in there, and it's a Y in the bathroom over here.
Just got to keep your one finger up there, so as soon as it gets wet, you know to
That's
turn
right.
the water
That's
on.
right. Absolutely. Let's see. So yeah, I mean, then I just have my little bathroom with a airhead in there, and you can go in there and check it out if you want. Some random water bottles. And
Yeah.
stuff
Well,
like
everybody uses their shower as storage.
that.
And
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But,
very nice.
well, thank you.
Thank you for the tour.
Yeah.
Do you have any social media presence if somebody wanted to get a hold of you? Or?
Really, the only thing would be on Instagram. It's M underscore the word triple underscore G. M triple G. And that's the name of the bus, is Triple G.
Cool. Well, thank you.
All right, thank you. Thanks for coming over.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.